Corps Division Meet is a simulation activity for 2025 Zamboanga Peninsula Regional Association Athletic Meet. Let us all set aside our differences and live with our vision to have a happy, decent, and dignified life for our people.
We're all very, very happy to see all of you here. Maraming salamat. Alhamdulillah, pagkatapos po ng 4 na taon ba, no? Nagkita-kita tayo ulit, nagkaroon tayo ulit ng ating division meet. We are very, very, very proud of you. Take advantage of this opportunity po. Learn to be humble in victory and dignified in defeat. Ayan.
Laging-lagi ko pong inuulit, kayo po ang ating mga estudyante, ang ating mga kabataan, kayo po ang kinabukasan ng probinsya, kayo po ang kinabukasan ng ating minamahal na syudad. May the best schools, the best teams win, and may we be united under the banner of Isabela City.
Let this event be a testament to the power of sports in fostering unity, promoting healthy competition, instilling values that transcend the playing field. May the memories forged here to continue to inspire generations to come.
A heartfelt congratulations to the athletes who have earned their medals in various sporting events. As we close the 18th Isabela City Division Athletic Association Meet, I encourage all students to continue in holding their potential. Train and play well, but also study well. In doing so, years from now, you will never regret that you have done so in your formative years as students and athletes in the city and Basilan Province po. Congratulations, we are proud to have you wear the name of Isabela City. Sa lahat sa atin na ginagawa ang lahat ng ating makakaya, ginawa ang best natin. Be proud dahil alam natin na ginagawa natin ang best natin. Kapatid, kayong lahat na araw-araw na ginawa ng Diyos, ginawa ang best nila kahit na matalo, kahit na mag-fail, sa lahat ng bagay, proud si Kuya Kitty sa inyo.